Assalamualaikum friends. I hope everyone will be fine. We are starting the next lecture 6. Be verbs. Be verbs. It is the present of some things that's called be verb. Ash. A verb show action or state of being. I go home. Home is my place to rest. I like the smell of my house. I feel totally relaxed. Home refreshing me. At home, I get ready for a new day. Be verbs indicate a state of beings. Words must match subjects. I am a doctor. He is sleepy. We are here. Negative sentence need not after the verbs. I am not a doctor. He is not sleepy. We are not there. So that's a negative verbs. The verbs come first in interrogative sentence. I am doctor. I am doctor. Is he sleepy? Interrogative questions. Are we there? Or not is not can be shortened to or not isn't. He is not sleepy isn't the simple stance. We are not there. So the simple are not aren't there. Remember the variations of be words. That's presence. I am. Is the presence, is the ability, is the presence that indicate negative or not. Interrogate. I am I. Presence you are. And first time of discuss you or not. Are you? Here's he is not. Is it? Is he? She is not. Is she? It is. It is not. Is it not? We are. We are not. Aren't. Are you? You are. You are not. Are you? They are. They are not. They are they. We will discuss the five quick questions. You will. All people that viewers give answers to me, so that's a why and take and shoot. Which of the following sentence or oration correctly? I am thirsty. You are kind. He am not sad. She are not ill. It is not move. We are not tired. Is the runnings? Are you ready? So there's a few answers. So that's why and give me. I will cheer a call people.